In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a chart created in Google Sheets into Google Docs and to link it so that if you update it in Google Sheets, you have the option to update it within your Google Doc. So I have created some sample data here of percent homework completion by month, and you can see the chart is not entirely filled in yet, but I'm going to select it so that I can copy it into a Google Doc. So I just click on it, and three dots will come up in the upper right-hand corner. When I click on those, I'm going to scroll down to Copy Chart, and now I'm going to go over to my Google Doc where I'm going to paste it. So I select my Google Doc, and I'm going to click Edit, Paste, and two options come up. I can either link the chart to the spreadsheet, or I can paste it unlinked. If I paste it unlinked, the chart will be static, and the only way for me to update it would be for me to physically copy it from Google Sheets into the Google Doc. Because I know I'm probably going to add more data to it, I'm going to select Link it to the spreadsheet. So I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to paste it. And there is my chart. I'm going to go back to my Google Sheet, and now I'm going to add some data in for a few more months, and we'll make it so it's a little bit more dramatic, and you can see the changes. And I'm not going to do anything else here in Sheets. I'm just going to switch over to my Google Doc. And now that I've added the data in Sheets, the doc is smart enough to know that there's new data in that sheet. And it's come up with this little icon that says I can update the Google chart if I want to. So I'm going to select that. And now you see that whatever I put in the sheet has now been added to the Google Doc. So this is a handy way for you to keep data current between your documents, especially if you have a living document that you update frequently and you want the most accurate data in it.